Hello, how are you? Hope you are all well. This is Sapiens Van Papa on Hilda's Kitchen. Good food always made in a clean environment. Today I am coming to try one of Sweet Adjeley's Ghana cake recipe. Yeah, we all learn. That's why it's good to learn. I've taken my time really well and I hope I get it right. So come along and let me show you the ingredients in which I am coming to use for my cake. And this is Ghana cake and it's so over here I've got my butter, which you will find the measurement under the description. We are all learning, so if I get it wrong, no negative comments. Data. I've got my nutmeg. This is about nearly 1 full tablespoon. It's a pinch of salt. We are going to use baking powder. We have fanta, which I got it from the corner shop. It's a pineapple. Wow. I've got 12 eggs, sugar. I put them also in a blender. So my joke, my name one why it has become like more smooth, is it? Yeah, and for 9 months. This is soft flour, and this is orange extract, and we are going to, because we are in Christmas, it's optional. We are going to add some food color to our cake. So it was some the meaning in adding that. So let me catch it after watching, because I really watch over and over and over the video. Don't forget, like, share, and today's it was not I've already washed my hands nicely. So let's go. This is my butter, is the baking butter. Please, baking butter. Yeah. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Let's add in our sugar. We're going to add in our salt. So guys, can you tell the difference between those two? This is the original butter, and this is how it has become very nice, fluffy and pale. Yeah, you can tell the difference. You have to really wait for it to get to this stage before you add in the rest of the ingredients. At this time, I think you saw me trying to whisk. Instead of me to whisk, I blend it. So I saw her using the bubble, the skew man. So I'm going to take my time, easy, and bring the bubble out into and gently. I'll keep doing that until all the eggs is finished. To mix our nutmeg into our egg to intensify the flavor. Yeah, I'm trying to use the exact word. Yeah, and then we go again. We are going to add in our orange flavor. It looks like crumbles, yeah, but don't worry, it will be absolutely fine. sometimes depends on the temperature of your butter, even the egg as well. So don't worry at all, it will be fine. At this time we are going to add in our Fanta. It's going to be tricky, but I'm really going to try it. Wow. She did use the whole thing, which I'm really trying out. I know we get it. So now we are going to stop everything now and start adding in our flour. She used a spatula to mix it, but I'll let this do the job for me gradually, no rush. Yeah. This time we are going to add in our baking powder as the last thing. Yeah.
Hilda's Kitchen.
Good food made in a clean environment. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen.
Really get the texture that she
Kitchen, good food.
made.
Hilda's Kitchen, oye ziban papo. Hilda's Kitchen, good food made in a clean environment.
Say Pixie Bun Papa. The best man for Hilda's Kitchen. Our 079 909 97527.
I've got some cupcake tins over here. I've got this one here as well. Very Christmas, isn't it? Or rokodo. Look at that. Avocado. We are using Smarties. This is going to be for the first time, and then I will check and see. Avocado. So I bought the cake and I ready. You can tell it's very dry, very dry. Yeah. All well and good. That looks really fabulous. Wow, I like that. Wow, beautiful. Look at that. This is really Ghana cake. Ooh, look at it. Nicely beautiful. Wow. Ooh, we're trying to see. Anazi. Did it. Nice one. Ooh. Gets ready. Wow.
Good food, Hilda's kitchen.
That's beautiful cake. Wow. Look at it, guys. It's so hot. Look at that. That's how it takes its time before it breaks. That's Ghana cake. Yeah, look.
Oh yeah, good food, Hilda's kitchen. Oh yeah, Zeb and Papa. Good food,
Try some and thank me later.
oh yeah, good food, Hilda's kitchen. Oh yeah, Zeb and Papa. American for baby, Ibezi, now wakumum out of form. Hilda's kitchen. Hilda's kitchen.
Try it and thank me later. Thank you for joining me. I hope you can try my recipe that I copied from Sweet Adjeley. Sweet Adjeley, thank you so much. I really enjoyed watching you. Sometimes I feel like imitating that your sweet voice. And then you are going to intensify the flavor of what you are doing when I'm in shop. Now you're have a lovely Christmas. Bye bye.